Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 13575 Class 3 trailer hitch on the 2008 Mazda CX-9. For a better view of the installation, we will be using a lift. Like most of our installations, this vehicle does not need to be elevated for the install. We estimate this installation to take 30 minutes to 1 hour depending on your level of expertise. These are the tools necessary for the install. To begin, identify the attachment points on the frame located here. We recommend removing debris from the weld nuts using a small wire brush. If the supplied bolt is still unable to be threaded into the weld nut after cleaning it, it may be necessary to use a tap. Be sure to check that the bolt threads into the weld nut properly before raising the hitch. Raise the hitch into position. Loosely install the hardware into the weld nut attachment points on both the driver and passenger sides. Torque all hardware to the exact values specified in the supplied instruction sheet. Holy fruit bowl, that was bananas! This completes the installation video of the CURT 13575 Class 3 trailer hitch on the 2008 Mazda CX-9. And thank you for watching this video. Now you can bring it.